Well, it's been a minute. Unboxing the latest Bape this past few weeks. The Bape Helenox Shark Hoodie. Yeah, this shark hoodie is pretty pretty fire. Kinda have this mixed camo feel to it, if you know what I mean. Like a base of the color camo black with a mixed combination of the colors from the ABC camo blue. You know, when Bape does the whole mixing of different colors and camos, it's usually only specifically for store camos, or they'll block it off in sections like the crazy camo or the separate shark hoodies. Yeah, I think they should do this more often. You know, more of a proper mixing like this. But then again, maybe it'll make store camos and other camos less special, so... This is actually the first shark hoodie ever released from Bape and Helenox. Helenox being a Korean outdoor brand, the first collab being back in, I think, 2017. Yeah, pretty clean and solid for a shark hoodie. Hey, imagine if the blue colors glow in the dark though. That'll be perfect for the outdoors at night. Okay, next up. But before we start, y'all probably will see it in the background. Yeah. I got sucked into the craze. For the love of God! Please! Personally not into them, but my peoples back in America are asking for them, so here we are. You know, back in the early 2000s, Bape had their time. Bear Bricks, same thing. What else? Oh yeah, the LB wallet pouches. Y'all remember those? I remember everybody was trying to rock it. Oh, that reminds me. The foxtail.
Man, look at, man, hell nah.
Yeah, that one was, if I think about it, was, pretty weird. I had a few of those.
I was fucked up. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now.
But nah, that's how trends are. Probably one of the craziest I've seen in some time.
A makeup store in Orange County is sharing video of a break-in on social media. They believe they were targeted by burglars looking for Labubu dolls.
We'll see how far this goes.
Bunny? Put a damn bunny on your hip? That's how you go to work? Yes, it did. Are you serious? Please come back at 10 o'clock. Yeah. This dude got a damn bunny on his pants, man.
Imagine if Bape and Labubu did something. It'll be Bape Crocs all over again. But times 100. I mean, they've already started doing collabs.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I've already seen a few in some Bape fits. So let's see. Alright, next up, the latest in Bape sneakers. 1, we have Bape's newest silhouette, the Skatester Bold. And number 2, the latest Flipster, the Flipster number 2s. The Skatester Bold. Now, I wouldn't say 100% a new silhouette, cause basically it's just a Skatester with a white tongue. Definitely perfect for skaters though. I actually know a few skaters that skate in the basic Skatester and been told they wish there was a little more foot protection. And here they are. Looks like a pretty solid padded tongue for that high ankle protection. And on top of that, we can see we got that signature Bape all patent leather. Now, I'm not a skater. So I can't judge the functionality, but on the aesthetics, they are pretty clean. Definitely a nice sneaker to style in. The Flipster number 2. This past week has been very, skateboard heavy. Personally, I'm not too big on the Flipster. Simply, it's a chunkier version of the clean Roadster. I've had seen quite a few highlights on my timeline, and people really mess with them. I will say this, they are very well made. Each drop always has a combination of different materials and textures. For the people who know how to rock chunkier shoes, they do look clean. And of course, with every Bape sneaker, we get additional colorways. The green, pink, and gray kinda hit. And for the Flipsters, the white and gray. I may prefer the white and gray. Lastly, we have the latest Bape icons. Nothing too dramatic, pretty simple. Patent leather overlay with a regular leather underlay. This is the second, I believe, Bape icon dropped this year, after the Croc patterns back in March. Of course, multiple colors, but I prefer the black and gray. Clean and simple. Well, there it is, guys. The latest in Bape. What y'all guys think? Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!